How scary was that shit? Leaving your full, like, you don't have any more guaranteed income. Like,
Yeah.
it is a,
Yeah, I know.
now what I do.
Friday, it's payday, and there's no more money. Like, I didn't get a check this morning. I didn't get a little message from ADP. So it's different, but it was a long time coming. I mean, we've been working towards this for 3 years, and honestly, like, we probably are making the leap a little bit earlier than other people might say is safe to do. But it was just to the point where it's just holding us back so much for me to be somewhere 40 hours a week, not working on the business, only spending like a few hours a week doing this. So it's scary, but like, I feel so good. We're so blessed to have a really, really good support system from guys like you and Carlos and Michael and other guys that I meet with like on a weekly basis, talking about how we're going to grow our businesses. And then my family supports me so much in doing this. So it's like, I was actually joking with her last week. I was like, one of the biggest, not the biggest struggle, but it's kind of funny. I feel like a lot of people, they always talk about like their haters motivate them. You know what I mean?
Oh,
And
yeah.
I was like,
Oh, yeah,
man,
that's me.
sometimes I almost feel like I have too much support. I have too many people supporting me. Like, I don't have any haters. I don't have anyone motivating that I need to prove wrong. Like, everybody's on my side and wants me to win. And I'm like, where are my haters at? Like, I need that extra push and motivation sometimes to, get up and just push forward. So, we're blessed in that aspect. We just have so many people that are there for us, so we can talk with and support us in everything that we're doing.